How to block ads on any Android phone without root. So first of all, let me show you. Whenever we open any type of app, as I opened MX Player, and here you can see ad is showing. Now let's go back and show you one thing more. Now I'm gonna open my browser. Let's open here any website. As you can see, I opened a website and the ads are also jumping here. So let's go back and tell you a simple settings without any third-party app and without root. First of all, open your phone settings. Now in the search bar type DNS. And here you can see the option of private DNS. Tap on it. Now tap on private DNS. Now here it will be set on automatic option. So you need to select private DNS provider host name. So tap on it. And here on this address bar, type dns.adgod.com and save it. It is done now, very simple trick. Now let's go back and let's open the app. And here you can see no ads are popping here. This was the app. As recently we checked this app. Now let's go to browser. And let's open that website we opened before. As you can see, no ads are popping up here now. With this method, your apps and browsing will be very smooth. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.